Are you someone who always wanted to invest in gold but felt it required too much money? What if you could start your gold investment journey from just 10 rupees, right from your mobile phone? Today, let's talk about the revolutionary JioSmart Gold program, which makes the gold investment accessible, secure, and simple for everyone. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. First, let's understand what is JioSmart Gold. So JioSmart Gold is a digital gold investment scheme launched by Jio Financial Services. It allows you to buy pure 24 karat gold starting with an investment as small as 10 rupees. With this, you can own real gold stored securely for you and gradually build your gold savings anytime, anywhere using the Jio Finance app. Do you know what are the key features? The first is that minimum investment will start as little as 10 rupees. Second, it is 100% digital process. Buy, track or redeem your gold entirely online. Third, it has physical gold backing as well. Each rupee invested corresponds to actual 24 karat gold stored safely. Then we have flexible purchase options. Buy by value, that is rupees, or by weight, that is gram, starting from 0.5 grams. Then it has secure storage. Your gold is safely kept in insured bank-grade vaults. It also has easy redemption. You can convert your digital gold to physical coins or jewelry or redeem as cash. It also gives you physical delivery, which is available for holdings of 0.5 grams and above. You can track the real-time market prices for full transparency. Now the question is, who can invest? So any Indian resident above 18 years old who has a valid PAN card or Aadhaar card and an active bank account. But remember, gold prices fluctuate daily. But assuming a current price of approximately 6,000 per gram, here is how much gold you can get based on your investment. Let's understand this. So if you start your investment with just 10 rupees, the amount of gold in grams that you can get is 0.00166. With 20 rupees, it is 0.0033. With 30 rupees, it is 0.0050. With 40 rupees, it is 0.0066. 50 rupees, 0.008. 60 rupees, 0.01. 70, 0.11. 80, 0.0133. 90, 0.15. And 100 rupee, 0.016. This means if you invest 10 rupees, you can own approximately 0.001667 grams of 24 karat gold, which will be credited instantly into your JioSmart Gold account as per market prices. See, as the market prices changes, so the grams allocated for you will also change in the same account. Now let's understand the step-by-step process how you can invest. First, you need to download and set up a Jio Finance app, which you can download from Google Play Store or from App Store. After that, you need to complete your KYC using your PAN or Aadhaar card and you need to link it with your bank account. Then there is a section of Smart Gold in that app only. Select on that Smart Gold or you can see a digital gold option as well. After that, you need to choose your investment amount. You can either put the amount, like you can enter the amount, how much amount you want, or you can enter in how much grams you want. Then you can also check the live gold rates. Just confirm and pay. Click on buy and choose your payment method, which could be a UPI, wallet, debit or credit card. After completing the payment, your digital gold holdings will be credited instantly. You can also track, manage and monitor your gold holdings and live market prices within the app only. There is also an option to set up Gold SIP, which is a systematic investment plan for regular investing starting from just 10 rupees. You can redeem the gold anytime for cash or physical gold. Physical gold delivery is only available from 0.5 grams and upwards with multiple denominations like 0.5 grams, 1 gram, 2 gram and etc. Let's understand what are the frequently asked questions. First, at what amount you can start investing? And the answer is as little as 10 rupees. Then, is JioSmart backed by real gold? Then yes, every investment is backed by 24 karat physical gold stored securely in insured vaults. Then the question comes is, can I buy gold in grams instead of rupee value? Then yes, you can buy it in rupees or grams starting from 0.5 grams and the rupee value is just 10 rupees. Then the question is, who can invest in smart gold? So any Indian resident above 18 years can do it. The only part is that they should have a valid Aadhaar card and PAN card. Then the question is, how safe is my gold investment? So your gold is extremely safe and it is stored in bank grade insured vaults by trusted custodians, ensuring complete safety. Then the question is, can I redeem my gold anytime? Yes, you can redeem your digital gold for cash or order physical gold coins from 0.5 grams, and that too anytime, anywhere. Now you might ask, are there any charges for storing my digital gold? So yes, there is a storage fee, but it is free up to 5 years. After 5 years, a nominal charge will be there. Then the question is, can I start an SIP? Then of course, yes, you can start the SIP and start investing in gold also. Then you might ask, how do I track my value of the gold? So you can track live gold prices, and your holdings can easily be tracked on the app, which is JioFinance app. You might ask now, how is physical gold delivered? So physical gold is delivered via secure logistic partners to your doorstep in denomination selected by you, on which the making charges and delivery charges are applicable. So I guess now it is better to understand that JioSmart Gold is a better option for investing because it is affordable, it is convenient and secure for everyone. So whether you are starting with just 10 rupees or whether you prefer to buy in grams, this digital gold platform offers full transparency, ownership and flexibility. You just need to download the JioFinance app. So this was it for today's video, and I hope that you liked it. All your concerns, your questions and feedbacks are welcomed in the comment section. Do let me know. I want to tell you about one more investment which is most important for you and your family, and in this I'm talking about insurance, and where Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus is helping you. They are giving a 1 crore of cover at just 578 rupees per month premium. 15% first year discount for salaried individuals is there, and if you are a working woman, 15% first year discount plus 15% lifetime discount is also there. They have a 3-hour claim settlement guarantee and a claim settlement ratio of 99.7%. They also have a special exit value benefit which can actually benefit you and your family's financial health. You can check out the platform and select which one is best for you. The link is in the description. Do check that out. And I'm Mansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.